What's going on, everybody? My name is Jonathan Blake, and today we are doing a Jarvis.ai recipe for Sean. Shout out Sean. He is awesome. Jumped on a call with him probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and we just talked about marketing and Jarvis and how we can help him elevate his business. So I made this 6 email sequence for new customer nurture sequence. So I recently bought Sean Volster's book about copywriting. He's got an awesome book. So this is just some of the assets that I got out of his book. It's tried and true copywriting formulas. He's got a nurture sequence in here that is tried and true from the famous copywriters that he has in his book. It's got great examples. So I just basically put this together. So this just goes over 1 through 7, right? Or 6. I got a bonus email in there. So this is basically the 30,000 foot view here. And then if you go into the recipe, email 1, write a big welcome name for subscribing to the newsletter, remind users who you are, example, blah, 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 write a PSA, insert your topic. Solution is your free offer, right? So this is just trying to get people into your sales process, right? And then it keeps going. Before, after, bridge script, and then it keeps going. Okay, so basically here we have 7 emails. Okay, so this is a 30,000 foot view. I have not personally run this through an email sequence yet. And I have to work out the bugs. This is for Sean, trying to help him with his nurture sequence, with his email, because follow-up is so huge, right? The money's in the list, but you have to follow up. You have to build connections with your customers for them to get to you to like, know, and trust. My go-to is video, right? I want to interact. I want to get people on the phone so I can build that like, know, and trust. Plus it gives you a little bit of credibility and it positions you as an expert in your market, right? So basically this is just super high level stuff. Remind users who you are, right? BAB. I've been using the USP for calls to action. In the long form assistance, you can ask Jarvis just to write a persuasive call to action for X, Y, and Z, right? Jarvis is getting smarter every single day, and it's learning from the inputs and the outputs that you're getting, right? What you like and what you don't like. Email number 4, remind, problem, agitate, solve, main objection, insert your solution. So this is for the ROI case study. So show these people how they can make money from your product or how you can save them time. Insert a case study, a success story, so people can get connected to your personal story or your customer story and have them, future cast and envision themselves using your product, right? Write a USP for free offer. So you're going to insert that in. I always like to write PSs, tease the next email, add a call to action for your case study, your success story, your free offer, something. Get these people to take an action. You want to get these people to recognize your emails and for them to click links. That is the whole goal. And then, so I forgot to add this at the very end, but we need to write all of our email subject headlines for each email as well. I'll update that at the end as well. But we need to get them to recognize us and obviously click our links because that's how we make money. That's how we help people more. So email number 6. Okay, so I want you to go to answer the public or also ask keywords everywhere. That is a Chrome extension, SEO minion, and you can scrape the FAQs from Google with these 2 tools, and then you can start answering these objections and these FAQs. Uber suggests Neil Patel's software, Quora. Grab the biggest objections, insert them into FAQs. I like to do the features, the benefits, and then the persuasive bullet headlines. And then I insert the objection and I let Jarvis do the work. I like to do the emotional aspect, logic, and then try and add some kind of scarcity or urgency in these for these offers, right? So this is a 30,000 foot view. If you've got any questions, do me a huge favor and let me know, or concerns, and I will go through this as well. I wrote this in about 20 minutes. And so I'm using USP for the calls to action as well. So email number 7, remind you who you are. So link to more resources, more testimonials, more free offers, link to resources of common objections. I want to get people on video. I want to get people on the phone, right? So I can break down these objections. So this is like a soft sell email. So link to your free trial or your dream outcome, right? So insert that opportunity to jump on a call as well. And then write your PS for your dream outcome product that will help you push them through your sales sequence. And then you're going to push these people through your broadcast or your other sequences. But what I like to do is I like to grab the information that I grabbed from Jarvis copy and paste this and then put it over to Google Docs, then edit it all together, if that makes sense. Hopefully you can see that. I also have another thing for you. So I was going through my swipe file. I came across this 25 proven sales copy email templates. So this is from HubSpot. It goes from first touch emails, follow-up emails, and it's got a bunch. This is what I need to implement in my business. This is the breakup, stick letter emails, full email sequences. So they've got, I think it's 51 pages, but these are great copy and templates. This gives you an awesome examples as well. But I think the best way to do this is get on other people's email sequences and start seeing what headlines pop or subject headlines make you want to click, and then mirror what's already successful that's working for them and rewrite it in Jarvis. So go to Gmail, make a whole brand new account, and get on their email sequence and see exactly how they're building like, know, and trust, right? So get on those email sequences, and then you can rewrite those email sequences with Jarvis, and then just build your own swipe file. The best way, or it's like the imitation game. And this will help you start seeing patterns in these emails and the copy, and what will make you a better copywriter. Okay, but Jarvis is a great tool that you can use to set yourself up for success. I'm going to leave the links in the description for the recipe, as well as this 25 proven sales email template. And if you guys need any more help, I have no problem jumping on a phone call or making more assets that will help your business run even smoother. So if you click the links down below, 1-800copywriter.com. Right now, I am switching everything from ClickFunnels to Go High Level, and I'm also trying out Systems.io. So if that's not working, you can go to seekingfunnels.com/Jarvis free trial. You can get a free trial. Or if you want the Jarvis.ai Intensified, you can either email me at jonathanblake@seekingfunnels, or just leave a comment down below and I will reach out to you. I'll see you in the next video.